Linear offset fixtures pose all types of challenges to installers when they have to field modify tees, then figure out how to attach them. Plus, tegular ceilings require the installer to field cut tegular edges, then paint them prior to installation. How much time does this cost you when compared to ordering Armstrong FASTSIZE panels and grid? We wanted to know, so we set up this official time study. We're focusing on a repeating 4x8 module with an offset 4-inch by 8-foot light fixture. This module has mains installed on 4-foot centers and 4-foot tees installed on each end of the 4x8 module. We'll be installing a parallel 8-foot field cut main runner 4 inches off the module's main runner, which will require either a field cut route hole punch, 3-way clip, XTAC clip, or variable placement clip for the 8-foot field cut tee attachment. Next, we need to field cut 3 4-foot cross tees down to 44 inches. They'll stab into the opposing main runner, then secured at the 8-foot cross tee with STAC clips. This is followed by the installation of 4 standard 2-foot cross tees. 4 2x2 panels will need to be field cut to 44 by 48 inches. Since they are tegular, we'll need to cut new reveal edges, then field paint them while waiting 2 to 3 hours for them to dry prior to installation. Finally, we'll install our full-size 2x2 tegular panels, and this field-modified 4x8 module test is complete. Now, let's fast-size this installation and speed it up a few notches. We'll still install our standard mains on 4-foot centers with fast-size 48-inch cross tees on 8-foot centers. These 4-foot fast-size tees have a route hole located 4 inches from each end for the fast and easy, accessory-free installation of our 8-foot cross tee. We also have directional fast-size 44-inch cross tees with a factory route hole 20 inches in from one end that will receive the 24-inch perpendicular cross tees. Now it's time for the ceilings, and this time you don't have to field cut or paint tegular reveal edges or even wait 2 to 3 hours for them to dry because they are fast size 20 by 24 panels. With the standard 2x2 panels installed, our 4x8 fast size test module is now complete. Now let's recap the results. Building out the 32 square foot offset module with fast size material was the fastest, with grid and tile coming out at only 7 minutes and 3 seconds. When we field modified our grid with punches and clips, then cut, revealed, and painted the tiles, our time was between 21 minutes and 52 seconds to 24 minutes and 29 seconds. Now that's a big difference. Imagine a complex project like this with so many repeating offset modules. How much more time and labor will you spend if you're not using FastSize? To learn more about Armstrong's FastSize grid and tile program, visit armstrongceilings.com/FastSize.